Good morning, YouTube. So I decided to give you guys a little inside look at a day in the life, or at least a weekend day in the life of a realtor. I'm here in Paramus, New Jersey, and I have an open house scheduled for my team's listing at 66 Knollwood Drive in Paramus, New Jersey. And I have some other buyers looking in the area, so I'm doing a few agent previews before my open house today. And so I thought, this is my first time walking through this home. The lights aren't on, but I want to give you guys a little tour, a little agent preview tour of this gorgeous, absolutely stunning 6-bedroom, 6-bath home. Actually, let me put on, I brought my pink shoe covers. Most realtors utilize, bear with me for a second, guys, while I get these things on. Get my little shoe covers on here. Got to balance on one leg to get these things on. Apologies. Bear with me, I'm almost there. Let me get my other one right here. These things aren't the best quality. They rip very, very easy, but I think we got it on. There you go. Shoe covers are on. Here we go. All right. When we first walk inside the foyer, we have basically a dining room section over here, staircase to upstairs. Little dining room section over here. Which way should we go? Let's go this way first. So we're walking through. Nice little kind of wet bar area here. Absolutely gorgeous kitchen with a beautiful wide open living room space. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Check out that fixture. Absolutely beautiful. Fireplace. You can see out the backyard right here. Perfect sized backyard, unbelievable shape. Landscaping is spot on. So far, I'm extremely impressed. Okay, so we have your little wine cooler right there. That's my bag. So we have one bathroom right here. We have a coat closet. We have downstairs. One of my shoe covers fell off. Oops. Let me throw that on real quick. Okay. All right, let's go upstairs first. Here we go. I'm in such a rush. It's about 11 a.m. I have to do one more preview that I want to film for you guys, and then over to my open house to get up my signs. So this is one bedroom upstairs right here. Nice ceiling fan. Great job with the closets. Beautiful, nice sized bedrooms. Look at this foyer. Very nice. Living room area, sorry. Your bathroom's right here. 2 sinks. Let's go down this side. Very big bedrooms. Big closet in this bedroom. Very nice. I'm very impressed so far. And you have one of your full bathrooms right here. Okay. Ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. For a 6-bedroom, a lot of these homes that I see that are 6 bedrooms, a lot of times what happens is the bedrooms tend to be on the smaller side to get to the 6, for the builders to get to the 6. And I've heard a lot of basically your washer and dryer room, like a legitimate laundry room you have here. Pretty awesome. And then look at this master bedroom. Wow, absolutely fantastic. In the video, I don't think it's going to show up just how big. Great job the builders did with the fixtures. Fantastic. Look at this, and we have his and hers closets. Check out these closets. his and hers, his and his, hers and hers, whoever. But we have two huge walk-in closets. Look at these things. And this one's double the size. Check that out. Not bad closets for a master bedroom. Let's go into the master bath. This is the new style and all the new construction, higher end homes, tubs that they're putting in. Amazing shower, gigantic. You have two heads at the top, one shower head on each side. You actually have a bench in there to sit down. Very big. Fantastic. Love it. Little linen closet right there. Little toilet area. And then you have your dual sinks. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. All right. Amazing closets. So far in Bergen County, those are two of the nicest ones that I've seen. We've seen everything up here. And all right, let's take a quick look in the backyard. You know, the reason why I do these, you might say, like, why do you do these agent previews? Why are you doing this? I need to, as a real estate agent, I need to know the inventory. I need to walk through homes as if I am the home buyer. There's just certain things that you pick up and feel a feel for houses and property that you get actually physically being there versus just looking at some write-up on Zillow or some pictures. Let's make sure this is locked. Is it locked? Hold on, guys. Let me make sure this is locked. There we go. Now it's locked. Okay. Let's go downstairs real quick. And then we'll be on to our next agent preview. Gotta turn on the lights so I don't kill myself going down the stairs. Amazing, beautiful hardwood floors. Absolutely spectacular. Basically have a workout room here, already matted, the way that you would want it matted for a workout room. Absolutely fantastic. I would probably turn this into a jiu-jitsu studio right here. I'm not gonna lie. I would just be doing jiu-jitsu and yoga in there all the time. And here we have security system and everything, maybe a little bit of storage space. Let's go around this side. And we have our boiler room. Very nice. We have our sub pump. And let's check out over here. Not a lot of natural light down here, so I gotta kind of hit these lights so you guys can see what we're working with. Gigantic finished basement with spectacularly gorgeous hardwood floors. Awesome. Look at this. Beautiful. Such a big home. Fantastic. All right, what do we got here? We have a movie theater right here. Check that out. I mean, it is ready. Chairs, tables. It's like you're at iPic. Already have your projector up there. Absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love the basement of this home. Love it. You have a bathroom right here, full bath. So you guys can kind of peek in there. And that's not nice to see. And then we basically have a bedroom right down here with two very big, deep closets. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous home. We always want to make sure that when we leave these agent previews, that we leave the home exactly the way we found it. It's such a great privilege to be able to tour homes like this. Very, very blessed to get the opportunity to see what human beings are able to construct, and the visions and the ideas and the creativity, the artistry, the hard work. This is what people are capable of. Look at this. So you basically have like a chef's kitchen hybrid. This is every kitchen you could ever want. Look at this. You basically have right here your mud room. Look at that. Look at the shelving they put in for this mud room for coats and stuff like that. And then you have your ginormous two-car, like a true two-car garage. 2 doors. You could probably, well, you can't because it's 2 doors, but you could actually fit 3 full-size SUVs in here. That's how big it is. Awesome. Saw the backyard. So here I am. I'm going to grab my bag, my Oakley shades. Got my pink shoe covers for the next agent preview. And we are out the door. Let's make sure we lock up so you can kind of see how this works. A little inside. Close our gorgeous doors here. Make sure we're all locked up. And then essentially put this key in this little lockbox system here. And then put it back up in here. Click it up, and now it's locked. There you go. Let's take off my shoe covers so people don't think I'm absolutely nuts. Throw these in my bag here. Bag on my shoulder. And we're gonna finish off this video, guys. Again, sorry for the rush. I have one more agent preview before I have to get to my open house. So, but absolutely gorgeous home. My first agent preview of the day here in Paramus, New Jersey, which is Bergen County. If you're not sure about Paramus, I think it is, if you want suburbs, I think it would be my top choice as far as low taxes, proximity to the city and shopping, yet it's super quiet, great neighborhood, amazing diversity, different cultures, and just really, really great people. So once again, Paramus, New Jersey, first agent preview. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.